Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you my kids' favorite snacks, rice dumplings with tempering. As I mentioned in my earlier vlog, I will be sharing this recipe with you and here it is today. I will show you an even easier way to make it. Ready in just 5 minutes if your rice balls are pre-made. So let's get started. First, let's make small rice balls. Take 1 cup rice flour in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Slowly add water and knead into a soft dough. Now grease your hands with little oil and roll them into mini round balls. If two people make them together, it's super quick. But here I am making them all by myself. Once ready, steam these rice balls for 15 minutes. Now for the tempering, heat a pan and add some coconut oil. When hot, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal and fry until it changes color. Next add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves and 1 dry red chilli cut into pieces. This gives an amazing flavor. Then add 1 inch finely chopped ginger and 1 medium onion finely chopped. Fry until golden brown. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well and cook until you get that beautiful aroma. Finally add in the steamed rice balls along with some grated coconut. Gently separate them with the spatula. They don't stick together, it's just because they are hot right now. And that's it. Soft, tasty, and flavorful rice dumplings with tempering are ready to serve. Try this recipe once. I am sure your kids and family will love it as much as mine do. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes for more exciting and delicious recipes. See you in my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.